Hey, my name is Payton Lowery. You're watching OP BMX, and we're here at the Harrison Street DIY, and this is my bike check. Starting at the top to the front. Top of the front, I got S&M Hoders, Fit Savage grips on them. Rounded out with some Odyssey power ends. My bars connected to the profile push stem. It's got tie bolts in there. This is the cool swell colorway they got on there. Going down, got Odyssey headset, Odyssey R32 forks. And my wheel set, I got Odyssey 7Ks laced to the profile minis in the swell colorway. Again, pegs, I got Sunday Sealy plastic pegs. They're plastic sleeved aluminum cores. My rims are wrapped in some delicious Maxxis grifters, and they're 2.1 wide because small tires are where it's at. Moving on my frame, I got the S&M BTM frame. It's a Mike Hoder signature. I love this thing. It's in this cool trans gold colorway. Super nice and snappy for doing street stuff whenever I get street, and it's also good on park. My seat, I got the Fit Cafe tripod seat and Odyssey tripod seat post. Moving on down, I got the Tree OG sprocket connected to the Sabrosa bitch and crank. These things are awesome. And then the pedals, I got the Odyssey Twisted PC Pro pedals. Moving on down, my chain to the Shoutout Interlock V2 chain. That's it. I'd like to thank Dave's Bike Shop and Fred's BMX for helping me get some of these parts. They're awesome. Thank you.